it's Joseph, and welcome back to the San Miguel de Allende Secrets channel here on YouTube. And today we're going to be talking about a little bit of predictions on what the future face of foreigners in San Miguel de Allende will look like. As always, if you need more information, click on any of the links in the descriptive box below to various websites, including one that'll take you out to Amazon.com with all the 10 best-selling books in the San Miguel de Allende series of books. On so many levels, we live in interesting times. One of those levels is the changing face of expats in San Miguel de Allende. The top-up of foreigners in town has spewed countless articles with outrageous claims, from San Miguel de Allende being a gringo Disneyland, by someone who obviously has never been to town, nor Disneyland, to greatly inflated expat population rates. I've noticed a sharp decline in the middle-income expat retirees, those teachers and other government employees that enjoy that increasingly rare pension providing them steady monthly income. The top expat earners, normally those that own their own businesses that have second or third homes here, continue to flock to town to enjoy all a high-end resort and center of culture has to offer. Conversely, low-income foreign earners continue to shuffle into town, which is a bit baffling. As recently as 2008, one could find an apartment in Central for $300 a month. The foreign tenant then thrust themselves into the artistic endeavors in hopes of being the next Grandma Moses, best-selling author, or in-demand jewelry designer. Those real estate days are long gone. To find housing that cheap, one has to cast a much wider net. The foreign artists will come to town but live farther afield and have fewer foreigners to sell their art to. Since, on some level, part of the appeal of being in Mexico is a cheaper standard of living regardless of your economic status, many leave the U.S. tiring of being poor only to find themselves poor in Mexico. These folks baffle me. If you want to live cheaply in central Mexico, opportunities abound close by in villages like Comonfort and Escobedo. To place yourself in a resort area catering to Mexico's top income earners, and some of the richest folks in the world live in Mexico, appears idiotic. It's the equivalent of trying to live frugal in the Hamptons during a hot July. How will the changing face of foreigners pan out? Largely unnoticed, I'd imagine. Tourism was and will continue to be geared towards the uber-wealthy Mexicans and foreigners that have come to town throughout the pandemic. Foreign-run charities will continue to face a new reality. As their non-mission-focused businesses are being closed by the government, they lack the pensioners that typically fill their volunteer-run boards. Low-income expats are too busy making soups or art to sell, while the high-income expats are running their own businesses they've long ago realized was their calling. Only the best-managed foreign-run charities that serve the most clients and donors will survive, as donations slide away alongside with their once profitable businesses. Other than that, the town will continue to be a historical and cultural haven and heaven for those that enjoy the restaurants, shopping, processions, weddings, fireworks, and fiestas San Miguel de Allende is internationally notorious for. As always, feel free to click subscribe now, and you'll get automatic notification of new videos as they appear here on the YouTube channel dedicated to San Miguel de Allende Secrets.